We just started out. We've gotten to our destination. They have picked the beans here. Really haven't done a whole lot out in these fields. We parked right there. I walked out here, found a escutcheon plate, which looks pretty old to me. They got a button right after. In literally 10 minutes, I don't even think it's been 10 minutes, I just got a signal and popped out this, and looky here.
Oh my gosh.
I've got a really, really old buckle. I mean, we're back in the 17th century already. That thing's fantastic, man. You're looking at, I believe it's something like 1600 to 1680 or 1620 to 1680.
Wow.
We're way back. And these fields, like I said, they haven't done anything yet. So my day's made just with this. It's hard to find these complete. Almost always I just get half of them.
Look at that.
Whee!
That is gorgeous.
Killer finds. Okay, I'll get a picture and we'll move on.
That is awesome.
Found the trapezoid buckle over there on the other side where the truck is, on the side of the road. We walked over here. We spent a ton of time over there. And we made, I got this right beside where I got the old buckle, which looks like one of those really old 17th, early 18th century spoons. And I found this plate here, which may date back pretty far. Found a couple buttons, including this pewter. Anyway, I just walked over here. And I found this pistol ball right here, perfectly round pistol ball. A couple steps back, and then I just got another one here, and as you can see, looks like the same thing right there. Yep, same thing. Pistol ball. Oop. Okay, we'll check back later. My wife and I are out here scouting some fields, and I just dug this mercury. I'm not sure the date yet. I'll have to clean it up and take a picture. Pretty cool. I just moved from the telephone pole over there, moved my truck. I just found the mercury dime, walked to the truck, pulled it up over here, parked over there, walked out here, turned on my detector, got another high signal, and I got a large scent. Looks like pretty thick. My wife is over there exploring. I'll clean it up, see if I can get a date or anything. Well, here comes my wife again. She says she thinks she's got another first. I just did dig the large scent.
You did?
Yeah.
Check that baby out.
What is that? Oh wow, you got a seeded. Man, that thing is killer. All right. My wife just got a seeded half dime, and it's gorgeous, I think. Look at that. Well, you're welcome. I got a mercury dime over there. Beautiful 1916. Well, I'm not gonna hurt it. It's been out here for 150 years. Wow, that thing is great. Yeah, you're gonna definitely get a date. This thing is beautiful. It's like your 3-cent piece that you found. Yeah, you know what? Don't clean it up. Let's wait.
Okay.
Because I just put my large cent in here. I don't want to destroy it. Hold on. My wife looks to have found well, she's got a coin here, it looks like. Maybe a Indian? Mystery, yeah. We'll clean it up and take a picture, but it looks like it could be an Indian. Me and the wife just switched spots. We're in the same set of fields, but on another site we found. And first signal, I literally 2 minutes ago, and I got an Indian head already.
After you just said, I bet we'll find some Indian.
Yeah. This shows on an old mid 18th century or 19th century atlas. shows this house site here. So we found it, and we'll see what we can get. I'll take a picture of this after I clean it up. My second target, here's the Indian head right there. Right beside it is what appears to be a huge button, maybe. Look at that thing. Holy moly. All right, I'll clean it up, see what I got. I popped out a button right there. I put it away. I can't film everything, but I will film this one. Got a either a barber or a seated. I'm thinking barber, but I'll take that. This looks like it's in really nice condition too. All right, let's just see. Ready? It's covered. I don't want to mess with it too much. So I'll clean it up and we'll get a picture. I'm not going to clean it up right now. I'm going to wait till I can, because it's in really good condition, it looks like. I don't want to scratch it up.
You think it's barber?
It's, I can't tell. I mean, the Indian was 1896, but then I found that button, that big button. So we'll see. It doesn't have anything on it, but it looks pretty old. Just got the a button there. Looks like a silver dime there, and I just dug really old button here. It might be tomback. It's got that domed thingy on the back. Could be spun. I have to check it out later, but there you go.